Hey guys, welcome to Doctor's Tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn about how to remove friends on Monopoly Go. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So just need to ensure that you're logged in into your Monopoly Go account. Then right after, head onto this button here onto the bottom part to access your friends. So you could locate the friends option onto this button here, and it is usually located on the bottom right hand corner. And as you can see, we have the add friends in here, your timeline and leaderboard. So you could choose to deny some people that you don't want to add to your friend, or you'll also see a list of your friends in here under the leaderboard. So make sure you click onto remove option if it will appear in there, confirm the removal of the friend, and typically there is a confirmation message right after. And once you've confirmed, your friend will be removed from your Monopoly Go friends list. And that's how you delete friends on Monopoly Go. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.